Good day everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jonalyn Bagaporo Sumili and I'm going to share with you on how to make a fluffy a la Jonalyn chocolate mousse pancake. And now, I would like to show you the equipment that I'm going to use. So first, we have the 5 to 7 quarts mixing bowl. So I prefer to use medium size. And the next is balloon wire whisk. So this is the balloon wire whisk. And the third is oxygen grip silicone. So this is the oxygen grip silicone. I prefer to use number 5. And the next is molding pancake. So this is the molding pancake, guys. And the next is offset cake icing spatula. Okay, this is the spatula that I'm going to use. And the next is hand mixer. So I prefer the hand mixer to make a whipped cream. And the next is measuring cups. So these are the measuring cups. And the next is measuring spoons. Okay guys, these are the measuring spoons. And the next is parking knife. So this is the parking knife. And the next is stainless steel extra deep mixing bowl. So this is the stainless steel mixing bowl. And also shifter. Okay, this is a shifter, guys. The next is small ladle. So this is the small ladle. And the last one is 5 to 7 quarts mixing bowl. I prefer to use ice ball mixing bowl for the ingredients. And also we have the ingredients here. First is flour. I prefer to use cake flour. The second one is milk. Next is the vanilla and the baking powder, 2 eggs, sugar or white sugar, oil, and the last one is cocoa powder. So, ang unang gagawin natin ay kailangan natin i-measure ang ating cake flour sa tamang ratio niya. So, i-chef na natin ang cake flour natin. Para mas mabilis pag shifter natin sa flour, Gagamit tayo ng kutsara or spoon. So, our next is sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. So next is the baking powder. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. The next is vanilla extract. 1/2 of the tablespoon of vanilla extract. Hindi ito necessary guys. The last one for our first step is the cocoa powder. Mix na natin guys. So, isi-kasay muna natin yung guys. And the second step is making whipped cream. I-separate natin ang ating itlog. I-separate natin ang egg yolk at saka yung egg white. Sila natin itong egg white. So, the next is a 1 cup or 1 and 1/2 cup of milk. Egg yolk at saka ang ating milk. wire whisk. At saka natin i-mix ulit. Cup of sugar. Ating kakailanganin. So, this is the hand mixer. So, ganito ang ating perfect whipped cream natin. So, inimis na natin ito sa ating dough na ginawa natin kanina para maging fluffy ang ating whipped cream. Igandahan natin ito lagay pa-mix. Pagkatapos nito guys, pwede na natin itong lutuin sa ating molding pancake. So this is the finished dough. Ayan. So isitasan niya natin ito. Ngayon guys, kailangan natin iluto ang ating dough. So, painitin natin ang ating molding pancake. Nasa room temperature lang ating guys, ating apoy. I prepare the chopping dish. Ito ko ilalagay ang aking finished product. So ngayon, gagawa na ako ng toppings natin sa ating fluffy pancake. So, ang ingredients ko dito ay cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. Kailangan natin painitin ang ating kawali. Pagkatapos natin painitin ang ating kawali, ilalagay natin siya sa room temperature. Kapag nakikita natin ang ating toppings na medyo sticky na siya, pwede na natin itong ilagay sa ating pancake.